What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Emil, and this channel is dedicated to you guys to show you anything I'm doing to make passive income with cryptocurrency. So right now I have the BNB chart right here in front of us, and the only reason why is because my diamond team, which I will be doing a recap on, really relies on the price of BNB and what it is. That being said, right now BNB is sitting at $228, and it is about 65% down since its all-time high. So overall, I think it's doing really good. There is a lot of developers building on BNB, and I don't see the price going lower than $100, even if the market were to crash. If Bitcoin were to go to, let's say, 10,000, I don't see it going less than 100. But that's my personal opinion. You know, with crypto, it's pretty crazy. Some other news with crypto, CZ just announced that we have a partnership with Cristiano Ronaldo, which is a soccer player, very popular. And as you can see right here, check this out. I'll play this real quick for you guys.
I'm delighted to announce my partnership with Binance. Together, we are going to change NFT gaming and take football to the next level. And this is just
pretty cool.
I'm delighted.
That's pretty cool, guys. As you see, we have Hedera Hashcraft that's partnering. I mean, not Hedera Hashcraft. We have Algorand that's partnered with FIFA, which is, you know, soccer. And then we have Binance that's partnering with individual people in the soccer industry as well. So it's really good and really cool to see that. And when I see that, I feel safe when I invest more money into my diamond team because I'm buying BNB and the rewards that I'm getting is BNB. And at the same time, you know, CC's real honest and real with his followers. He wrote an article right here that I found was interesting. You might want to give it a read. And if you guys want, give me a follow right here on Twitter. I'm fit and legit, baby. Go ahead and follow me. I post anything that I see that I like, that it's good to know. I'll repost it or send a tweet or anything that I feel necessary. Guys, just that's where I'll be at. So he wrote this article saying no, he doesn't give out bailouts, and what he's trying to say is right now we're dealing with the liquidity crisis in the whole world with, you know, inflation and then the crypto markets. People are taking all their money out, and you have all these protocols in these banks like Celsius and even Terra Luna with, you know, how they offered that significant amount of money back if you hold your money in their platform. You have all these things happening in the market where people are pulling their money out, and then these banks, they don't have enough liquidity to pay people back, so their whole coin or their token fractures. And right now, this article is really interesting. He's saying that he's not willing to bail out anyone that needs a bailout because he thinks that if you make the wrong call and you're unsuccessful at making the right adjustments to lending adjustments to retail market, then he thinks that you should fail and learn your lesson. And which honestly, I think that too. And the only reason why I bring that up is because this guy right here, who owns FTX, he bails out BlockFi, which is crazy news. And it's like he's the godfather. He's the Federal Reserve in the whole crypto market, dude. This guy's going out and bailing out BlockFi, and he also bailed out someone else. Who was it? BlockFi, and let's see. I know it was someone else. It was probably another article, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I thought that was pretty cool. You know, this guy is going to be taking over the crypto market. I don't think the feds don't like this at all. They don't want anyone to get bailed out. And here he goes, billionaire. Let me go ahead and help you guys out, BlockFi. But back to news on my diamond team. What's up, the current update, and do I like it? Do I think it's cool? Yeah, let's see. So right now, BNB is what we earn. And whatever you deposit BNB into this thing, we earn 1.5% back daily. That was the whole end game with this protocol. That's why I started it. It was really cool. At the same time, you have a referral link right here that you can copy and send to people. And whoever invests into that referral link, you get 5% whenever they reinvest. I think 2.5% will get rolled up to you, and you earn a commission for that, which was really cool because I started that last month, which I probably should have started sooner, but I didn't. So that being said, there was something that was happening to the protocol at the same time crypto was crashing, and I'll show you right here. This is their contract. You can see right here that a lot of people during the time that in the beginning of June, you can see that the market started going down. Bitcoin was going down. And they were like, oh, dude, everyone that's benefiting from that invested back here are just withdrawing daily. They're just taking their money out. They're not reinvesting because the market's crashing. And then the people that barely invested here, they don't have the opportunity to reap from this protocol because they just started right here. They need to wait a couple months. But what happens when the liquidity dries from this, the people that started right here, there won't be enough liquidity to reward these people that just started. So it kind of sucked for them. And the people that joined early kind of drained them out, if that makes any sense. So in order to protect the new people and also us, the longevity of the project, they implemented this new rule where you have to reinvest 3 times before you can withdraw. This has been going on for more than a week now. I think it's really cool. On average, every week I still get $22, and then I put another $30 into this thing, or $20, 20 every week, which is not bad, and it's growing. At the same time, as you can see, it stopped it from going down, and then now it's starting to go up. The liquidity is balancing right now, and it's going to build and build, and it's going to be stronger, making it last longer for us, which is really cool. There's a lot of us in Telegram, not myself, that don't agree to this. They think it sucks because all they were doing was reinvesting. They were doing it for, let's say, 6 months, reinvesting, and they didn't withdraw. And now it comes to a time where they can withdraw, and now there's this new rule where they can't withdraw. So there's a lot of people that are upset. A lot of people don't think that it was good, but me personally, I think it's good. I like the protocol still. I will still recommend it to people. Only invest what you can, like start with $40 like me, and build this up within 6 months, and you could be like me. So that's my diamond team, short and simple. I hope you guys liked it. Like before, like and follow for more. All links will be down below, and stay tuned for more. Thank you.